I bet people will be very grateful for this video since we'll reveal the secret to the perfect Italian dessert.
Actually, restaurant owners won't be that grateful if you reveal this secret. What about Dad?
You know how he's obsessed with things like knowledge is increased by sharing and stuff.
It's okay.
See?
Also, perfect is a big word. You're only supposed to use that for things like red sole shoes, little black dresses, and cashmere.
Enough. Italian food and traditions and stories don't have to do with any of these things. You're out of topic. Again.
Well, you're not getting my point. Again.
Of course I'm not.
Anyway, today everybody uses the word perfect for anything. It's kind of like a one-size-fits-all tag.
I must admit I kind of agree with you on this one.
Now you can feel what I mean by perfect. So what's your concept of the perfect dessert?
A dessert that is always good for the occasion, whether it's a fancy party or romantic dinner, or whether you have time, are obsessed with seasonal fruit or chocolate, are gluten-free or not, or if you simply want a delicious and creamy sweet. This dessert is always great. That's why it's perfect.
Good explanation. Well, this fantastic dessert we've been talking about is Panna Cotta. Ciao, people!
Panna Cotta is a soft pudding, and the name means cooked cream. It originated in northern Italy in the early 1900s. The earliest recipe mentions simmering cream with fish bones as the collagen would set the cream.
Ew. Luckily, nowadays, no fish bones are included. Panna Cotta is made with gelatin, which gives it a special creamy, smooth, and melty texture.
It's such a special texture that people think it's some laborious restaurant dessert, but it's actually easier than making Jell-O out of a box.
A dessert that is a piece of cake to make? No, even easier than a cake.
That wasn't funny.
Actually, that was very funny. You just don't have a sense of humor. Anyway, this is the easiest dessert ever. First of all, the ingredients needed are the ones that anyone most likely has in their kitchen. Heavy cream, whole milk, plain powdered gelatin, sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt.
If you're vegetarian, you can also use agar or find many other alternatives to gelatin. Also, you forgot to say the quantities, which is kind of important when you give out a recipe.
Here you go. We'll also put this at the end of the video so our friends will be able to make this dessert. Let's now reveal the secret preparation of this dish.
First, pour the milk, cream, sugar, salt, and vanilla extract into a saucepan. Then put it over low heat to warm gently, stirring and whisking frequently.
When everything is slightly warm, add the gelatin powder and keep on whisking. Make sure not to boil the milk. It should just get very warm, but not too hot.
Remove the saucepan from the heat and pour the mixture into ramekins or cups. If you want to unmold the dessert, you will need to chill your creation for at least 4 hours or overnight.
I recommend to serve this dessert straight from the cups. It's much easier and faster, as you will need to chill the panna cotta for only a couple of hours.
You can play with the ingredients and add chocolate chunks or lemon extract. You can also reduce the milk and add espresso or pureed fruit. Be creative and try something new.
The final touch is the garnish with fresh strawberries or blueberries, even though my favorite was chocolate syrup and chocolate chips. So yummy.
You can now surprise your friends or loved one with an easy but fancy panna cotta, or
come and try it at Crazy Italians. Yum yum.